Hi, once again, welcome back. Ninth video of C programming, and you are watching Infinite India Online College. In last class, I have discussed about variables in C. For better understanding, once again, I am requesting the person who is new, so please go and watch my C variable 8th video and also remaining video. So today I am going to discuss about constant and literals in C. So what is constant? Here, constant refer to fixed values that the program may not alter during its execution. These fixed values are also called literals. Constant can be of any of the basic data types. So here today I am going to be cover the following topics. So first one is integer literals, second floating point literals, third one is character constant, fourth one is string literals, fifth one is defining constant. So I am going to discuss one by one. Okay, any doubts? If you are feeling any doubts, so please comment me and otherwise mail me. In last I will give my mail ID and please mail me. Okay. So here the definition of constant. So constant refer to fixed values that the program may not alter during its execution. These fixed values are also called literal. Okay. Constants can be of any of the basic data types like an integer constant, floating constant, a character constant, or a string literal. There are enumeration constants as well as constants are treated just like regular variables except that their values cannot be modified after their definition. So here first one is integer literals, and integer literals can be a decimal, octal or hexadecimal constant. A prefix specifies the base or radix 0 or nothing, or 0 or nothing for hexadecimal, 0 for octal and nothing for decimal. Okay, and integer literals can also have a suffix that is a combination of U and L. For unsigned and long respectively, the suffix can be uppercase or lowercase and can be in any order. I already explained x for equal to nothing. So here are some example of integer literals. So you can note these all examples of integer literals. So I have given following are other example of various types of integer literals. These all are the various types of integer literals that 212 is legal and number 0x fill is legal. Illegal 8 is not an octal digit. 078 here is given, and that 032 UU illegal cannot repeat a suffix, that here the repeated UU two times they have repeated, so here illegal cannot repeat a suffix, that cannot be repeated, suffix cannot be repeated. Following are other example of various types of integer literals. So 85 decimal, 0 to 13 octal, 0x4b hexadecimal, that one is, and 30 is integer, 30u unsigned int, and 30l long int, and 30ul unsigned long, that one is. Okay, so second one is that the floating point literals. So here a floating point literals has an integer part, a decimal point, a fractional part, and an exponent part. You can represent floating point literals either in decimal form or exponential form. While representing a decimal form, you must include the decimal point, the exponent, or both. And while representing exponential form, you must include the integer part, the fractional part, or both. The sign exponent is introduced by e or e, a small e or capital E. That one is going to be represented. So here some mistake is going to be happened. So a small e or capital E, that one is going to be represented. Here are some example of floating point literals. So here 3.14159 is legal, and here is also illegal, and illegal. Why it is one is illegal? Incomplete exponent. Here is the incomplete exponent. Okay, illegal. Here is 210f, illegal. No decimal or exponent. Here is the no decimal and exponent is there. So that's why it is illegal. So point E55 illegal, missing integer or fraction. Here is given. Okay. Here is the character constant. Third one is character constant. So character literals are enclosed in single quote. Example, X here is in single quote, not in double quote. It is in single quote. Can be stopped in a simple variable of char type. A character literal can be a plain character, example X, and escape sequence, example /t, or a universal character, example /U02C0. Okay, these are enclosed in single quote. Okay, there are certain characters in C that represent a special meaning when processed by A. Backslash, for example, new line. Here is the slash n. You all already I have discussed in previous topic. So slash n is in new line, or tab /t. Okay. So here we have a list of such escape sequence code. So here is the list of escape sequence code, and that one is here is the this code is used to character. So the person who want to note these all things, so can note these all. Okay, so escape sequence, and this one is meaning. Okay, double slash is character, and slash within quote is a character. Okay, and single slash double quote is in also double character. Okay, double quotes character. Okay, and here is that slash, and that character, and slash a alter or del. Okay, these all things you can note, these all, and I hope you all have noted. So come to the next point. So following is the example to show a few escape sequence characters has include stdio.h and int main. Here is the including that all header files and int main. Okay, then opening the braces and printf. These all are in a small letter, so you can write these all because some technical error. These all becomes in capital. So here return 0, and then after closing the bracket, when the above code is compiled and executed, it produces the following results. Here is the output will give hello world. That hello world that will give. Okay. So come to the next topic. So fourth one is in string literals. So here is the string literals or constants are enclosed in double quotes. So here what I'm telling that the string literals or constants are enclosed in double quotes. Here is in double quotes. Okay, these all things are kept in double quotes. So a string constant characters that are simple to character literal, plain characters in escape sequence and universal characters. You can break a long line into multiple lines using string literal. So you can break a long line, okay, into a multiple line. A long line can be breakable into multiple line using what? Using literal and separating them using white spaces. And when we are going to separate, use the white space. Okay. Here are some example of string literal. All the three forms are identical strings. So here the hello dear. So here is within the quotes. Here is the within the quotes hello, comma dear, and here is the within the quote and here closing the quote, but here not closing the quote, slash is there, and dear closing the quote, and hello double quotes is there, and zero again that one is the year. Okay, so come to the next. Defining constant. There are two simple ways in C to define constant. First one is using hash defined processor, and second one is using constant keyword. Okay, the hash defined processor or that can be given below is the form to use hash defined processor to define a constant. So here the hash defined identifier, and that can be defined of any type of value. The following example explains it in detail. So here the programming, so you can go and execute it and tell me the what is the result is matching with a coming result. So here is the programming, and that result is when the above code is compiled and execute, it produces the following result. Constant keyword. You can use constant prefix to declare constant with a specific type as follows. Constant type variable equal to value. The following example explain it in details. So here is the following examples that can be explained in details. So what should you need? You can copy these programs and type execute it any of C platform. Okay, and match the answer. Is the answer is coming and is the result is coming? or any error is going to be happen. But you can see there, surely answer will come. Okay, surely it is going to be execute. Okay, when the above code is compiled and execute it, produce the following result. So you can better to match that one. Value of area equal to 50. Note that the it is a good programming practice defined in constant capital. Okay, so here you can go and note in your notes so that it is a good programming practice to define a constant in capital. Okay, so this is the explanation in of all that topics. So if you will feel free to mail us your experiences on my email address. And once more, please like, share, comment on this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. The person who have up to now who have not subscribed, the person who have subscribed only share, like and comment. Okay, this is my email ID, and if you are feeling any facing any problem about these topics or chapters, so you can directly mail me or either comment me. Okay, thank you.